Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I give reviews about skincare and haircare products. So today I will review more about a skincare product called Golden Glow Lotion. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Golden Glow Lotion is an intensive half-cast lotion, 10 days whitening milk active whitening milk. It contains carrot oil, Filipino powder and solution, alpha arbutin, glutathione, and turmeric. The lotion is formulated to firm and brighten skin with dynamic combination of 100% natural ingredients that target excessyie and wrinkles. Also leaves skin soft and moisture all day. Golden Glow half-cast active whitening lotion with carrot oil and argan oil is the best quality whitening lotion that helps in facial treatments. Apply morning and evening on cleansed skin, gently massage till completely absorption. Does Golden Glow Lotion give stretch marks? No, the lotion doesn't give stretch marks, although some people encounter stretch marks on their skin while they are using the Golden Glow, but most times the stretch marks isn't coming from the lotion itself, but rather it coming from other skincare products they are using to mix the Golden Glow Lotion. Benefits of Golden Glow Lotion: 1. Anti-pimples. 2. Anti-stretch marks. 3. Anti-aging. 4. Anti-wrinkle. 5. Anti-blemish. Golden Glow Lotion side effects. It has no side effects. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.